The vehicle has different charging modes, in fixed AC charging station and in an AC outlet using a portable charging station. To start the charging process, the vehicle must be stopped, the drive readiness turned off, and the gear shift lever in park position. In AC station or wall box, you will follow these steps. Connect the charging cable to the charging point. If the charging station already has the cable incorporated, this step will not be necessary. Open the battery charging cover by pressing on it. Plug the cable into the charging socket until it is secure, at which point the connector locks automatically. During charging, the charging process LED indicator flashes green. The LED may not turn green during the process for different reasons. If the LED is flashing yellow, this indicates that the gear shift lever has not been engaged in P position. If the yellow LED is permanently on, this indicates that no electrical network has been detected. A check of the charging point should be requested. A red flashing LED shows that there is an error in the charging system. If it is permanently on, this indicates that the charging connector has not been locked. Unplug the charging connector and plug it back into the charging socket, making sure it is properly inserted. If the problem persists, check the compatibility of the cable or ask a professional for help. When the high-voltage battery is fully charged, the charging process display on the charging socket lights up permanently in green. Unlock the vehicle, unplug the charging connector from the vehicle's charging socket within 30 seconds. Disconnect the charging cable from the power supply and finally put on the protective cap. Close the charging flap until it is in place. The same method is used for charging with the portable charging station. This cable, like the fixed stations, has basic functions of electrical protection and communication with the vehicle. The portable charging station, included as standard, connects to a conventional home power socket, and the charging process is slower.